How to join someone on Roblox with their joins off. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If someone has put their joins into restrictive options, even then you can join them using this extensions and method. First of all, get logged into your Roblox account and on the search bar, search for the friends that you want to add. Once you have written, you will see different usernames of the same name and then you can add anyone by tapping in the Add Friend button. Once this is done, to add those friends with the joins off, you would like to open the web store or the Chrome web store. On that, you will see a row searcher. Search for it and then add it to the Chrome extensions. Make sure to add the extension, and once that is done, you can go and refresh your Roblox account. And this way you should be able to join people with the joins off as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.